So here we're going to be evaluating radical functions, and I'm going to start with number 25a. So we have f of x is equal to square root of 6 minus 2x at x equals -5. All right, so this is as straightforward as it looks. You substitute -5. All right, substitute -5 for x, so that's 2. All right, where -5 was, so now you're multiplying -5 essentially by -2. And so you're going to get the square root of 6 plus 10, that quantity. And that's going to be the square root of 16, which we know is going to be 4. All right, so that's the answer. All right, so I'll do another few until the video gets up to maybe 3 minutes. I want to try to make them shorter, load more easily. So we're continuing with radicals again. We are at 25b. This time our function is f of x is equal to square root of x minus 8. And we're evaluating that at x equals 9. That means wherever we see x, we put 9. So f of 9, which is what we want, is just going to be 9 minus 8, square root of 9 minus 8, which is the square root of 1, which we know happens to be equal to 1. All right, we can also look at 25c. So here we have f of x is equal to the cube root of 6 minus 3x, right? 6 minus 3x, that's a function. 6 minus 3x. And we're evaluating that at x equals -7. So yep, here we have f of -7 will just be equal to cube root of 6 minus 3 times minus -7 here. Again, you're substituting -7. So you end up with the cube root of 6, -3, times -7 is going to be a positive 21. And so under the radical here, you're going to get 27. So you have the cube root of 27, which just happens to be 3. All right, and so that is the problem. That's it. All right, we're going to stop there, and I'll come back and do some more work.